We're going to be doing a pivot in the bang area. So there's two ways of doing a pivot here. We're going to do one with 4 rollers and one with 3. So the first one, we're going to go right down the center. We're going to put a part right down the middle, divide it into 2 equal sections. Then we're going to take our roller and our roller diameter and our length, and we're going to carve that out to the front hairline. So it's right to the temple area. I'm going to move that hair out of the way. I'm going to go roller diameter and length, roller diameter and length, and I should be ending up right here on the side. Here's my center, my pivot point, diameter and length, and I'm coming right to, on the mannequin, the corner of her eye. So the tail comb is hitting the corner of the eye. I'm creating a half circle. So if I look at this here, on the top, I've got part down the center, and then I'm creating a circle, a curvature in the back, going to the front hairline. So again, part down the middle, diameter and length, diameter and length, carve it out in the back. We're going to do the same on the other side. So I already have my diameter and length in the center. I'm going to go diameter and length from that point. I'm going to carve to this eye. So I'm going to go around, take a look. So again, from the center point at the back, carve it down. My tail comb goes right to the eye roughly on the mannequins. I'm going to check this section as well. So I already know that I am 1 diameter and a length here. I'm going to go a diameter and a length this way. So I'm ending up 2 matching sides right here at the temple pointing into the eyes. When I look at the top section, it really looks like a half circle. So the hairline would be the straight line, and then I've got a curvature going from temple to temple. I'm going to go in, put my center part back in. I've got 2 pieces. Think of this as dividing a piece of pie or a pizza. We want to go in always from the center. I'm going to take my center and I want to go divide it equally into 2 sections. So I'm going to divide this piece in half from that pivot. So I want to always keep my pivot point there. I'm going to look at this section here. I'm going to twist that hair out of the way. I'm going to put a clip just to hold it out of the way. I'm going to go down to the front hairline, move the rest of the hair out of the way because we don't need it. I'm going to take this hair, smooth that out, put a clip in it just to hold it out of the way. So I've got my 1, 2 sections there. I'm going to go to my other side. I'm going to go again from the pivot point. I'm going to divide it where I think the halfway mark is. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to comb this section up, smooth that out of the way. And then I'm going to take my last section right down to that, again, tail comb coming right to the corner of the eye here, right in the temple area, smoothing that hair out. And I really want to make sure I've got roughly 4 even partings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At the back area, it should be almost 2 diameters, 2 diameters, 2 diameters, and 2 diameters. And when I look at the top section here from the back, it looks like a half circle. So there's half of a pizza cut up, 4 equal triangle sections. Now we're going to put the rollers in. So we're going to work over her, let's see, her left eye. So I'm going to start here on her left eye, so the client's left eye. So I'm going to take this first section, smooth it out, pulling it forward. So it's going to be off base. I'm going to slick that hair to the roller, roll it down tight to the hairline. I want to catch some of the hairline with my clip, and I want to clip 1 roller right at the hairline. I'm going to take, so right there it's going to sit right in the front. I'm going to take my next one. I'm going to move with each part. So as that part moves, my rollers are going to move. I'm going to take my next one. I'm going to comb it straight up from the part. This is going to make it half off base. I'm going to slick the hair to the roller. I'm going to roll that right down, always making sure the Roller sits at the back end of my section. And I'm going to use one clip at the back and secure it there. That roller is sitting on the part. I'm going to take my third one, again, always rolling it towards me. I'm going to pull this one straight up to the part. Again, slick that hair to the roller, making sure it's nice and smooth. If you need to, take your tail comb and tuck that hair in so it's nice and smooth. Wrap that hair down. Base should stay at the back. You're going to put your one clip at the back. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got my fourth one right at the front hairline. This one is going to go up and over that way. So again, I still want to have it facing this way so I can work. So if I was looking here, I'm going to comb this up and away from her face because I really want to comb it out to a side bang. So I'm going to take this hair up. I'm going to add in my roller. Make sure I've got enough water on there so it stays. I'm going to use my tail comb, tuck those ends in, work it down to the base. I'm going to hold it at the back, and I'm going to clip from behind right there. So when you look at it, you can see that that hair is traveling 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really moving in a circle. So if I go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to comb it out into a bang over her eyes. So one side goes back, working our way around to the part, and then sitting right on the hairline here.